Hi friends, welcome back to Live Your Best Life with Cam. Thank you so much for joining me today. Wagwan people, wagwan. Alright, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So I got my scissors, I've got my packaging, and yeah, ready to do this. So I just got this because like sometimes I wanna do my videos in the night and the lighting is not so correct, so yeah, I decided to get this. I will leave the link and the cost and stuff that I paid for it in the description box, so you can check it out for yourself as well. All right, so here we go. Box is open and voila, out comes. So there you go, box, go away. All right, so as a matter of fact, I actually purchased a ring light already and I sent it back. Like, I didn't like it, so I hope I like this one. I'm very picky when it comes to ring light, but as you know, as a small channel, we don't really need a whole lot of gadgets. We just need the simplest thing. So right now I'm recording with my phone. I only have a microphone here, that because I showed you in a previous video. So this is basically my setup, and then I'm adding to it now my ring light, if I like. You know, when you're taking your time to open the package, just in case you need to send it back, the packaging is not damaged. That's what I'm actually doing. So I'm taking my time to get it open. All right, so looks like we need to cut from this side. So here we go. Scissors go that way. So out comes this. I guess this part is a tripod. There is the ring light. It's a 10-inch. Let's see if there's anything else in the bag. Nothing else. Let's set up this part, the tripod. So this is how it came in a box, and it has a case. So this is how it came in a pouch like this, and so I can actually carry this around with me. So I got this bronze or gold colored one. It's Peyou brand. All right, let's see how this goes now. Okay. Okay, so this is it so far. All the height, my, looks short, man. All right, let's continue now to the ring light itself. There is this. And there is, oops, there's this other thing. Oh, this is a remote. Comes with a remote. That's it. Like, let's set this up. Let's set up this thing. So I guess I'll put this here, right? Okay. So I'm feeling something under it. There's a lever under it that, yeah, so I'll stop it right there. So this is it so far. And there's a lever that can let it go. Maybe it can go front way. No. So there's this thing. Where do I put this? I hope I'm correct. Hope I'm doing the correct thing. Like really, really now. Let me turn it on. Let's see how bright it is. So this is it. Let's turn it on. On. And then increase the brightness, I think. Okay, changing the color. All right, let me turn it around so I can see what's going on here. And you'll be the judge. Now, so without ring light, so this is when the ring light is off. Let's see if the ring light will make much of a difference. So no ring light now to ring light is on. Does it look much better? See? And then let's change the color. Yes, that's a little dimmer. And then that's another color, like a yellowish, goldish looking color. And then back to the bright settings. That's the ring light. So my new tech tool to help me with my YouTube videos. All right, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, so I can surely record in the nights now because I was mostly using natural lighting from the window, and you know that doesn't work out all the time. So cheers to this ring light. All right, so friends, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know what you think, if you like this ring light. And as always, on Live Your Best Life, we say, girl, man, come on, you gotta live your best life. So we say peace out. Don't forget to live your best life. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so now. Click that button down below and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. For now, it's your girl Cam saying peace out.